Hi, in this video I will show you if CoinMrBiz.com is scam or legit. So according to my verdict, CoinMrBiz is actually a scam because they have unrealistic promises. They offer free Bitcoin of around 0.95 Bitcoin for signing up, which is a common tactic used by scams to lure users into depositing money. They also have some withdrawal issues reported by users, and when they sign up to receive the promised Bitcoin, they are unable to deposit or withdraw it without making additional deposit, which raises red flags. They also have lack of transparency and they do not provide clear information about this ownership. They also only registered recently, which is around July 2024, suggesting it may be a temporary setup designed to scam users. There are also numbers of negative reviews according to users across various platforms. It also has low trust scores. Scam Advisor rates the site with a very low trust score due to hidden ownership and lack of visitor traffic. And all of this right here implicates that CoinMrBiz.com is scam. So I hope you know now that this site is a scam and please don't engage with this site. I hope we help.